Sometimes you just need a different perspective. And OmniDrone has just the tools for the job. We work with industry-leading companies in the oil and gas sector, mining, power, civil construction, agribusiness, emergency and law enforcement. With offices in Perth and Karratha, Western Australia, as well as Brisbane, Queensland, there's no limit to what we can achieve or how high we can fly. Whatever you need, we have the solution. Confined spaces and extreme heights are challenges easily overcome, and our expert technicians can operate at remote sites on or offshore. Our services include aerial non-destructive testing, survey and mapping capabilities, 3D, LiDAR and thermal scanning, integrity inspections, live streaming high-def video and photography, which can be delivered in real time on location or transmitted to our client's base of operations. OmniDrone. We really do go beyond.